What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having another good day. Thank you guys for checking out the videos today. We're doing some amazing fuel upgrades for the third gen Cummins, okay? So right before I get started with this video today, you guys, I want to give you guys a little, just a shout out slash I want to show you guys something, okay? So a good buddy of mine, Derek Sulzer, he sent me out. He just started an apparel company recently. Awesome guy. He's in the Army down in Georgia. And he just started a recent apparel company and was asking if I could help him out. Now, I know I did something like this recently with Panhandle Hat Co. But like I said, I don't do this often, okay? It's called Street Train Apparel. And what it is basically is it's his own brand. He made it, you know. He's trying to get his brand out there. He just started it up. He has an Instagram. It's at Street Train Apparel on Instagram. I'll have his IG and his Instagram, or his Instagram down below with his website, to his website. So if you want to buy stuff, apparel and stuff like that, okay? He has t-shirts, he got stickers, and he got koozies. So he's trying to, you know, start up a little something for himself, man. He has a YouTube channel. It's really small, but he does have a third gen Cummins as well. I believe his is 2008 too, but you guys can see here we got some stickers and stuff, okay? So go ahead, check out his Instagram, check out his website. I'll show you guys his IG right here. It's you can see right there, D_Sulzy. Well, the camera wants to focus, but this is his channel. That's his third gen. So check out, go down in the description, check out his stuff, you guys. He's trying to get something going. Nice quality stuff. It's a Fruit Loom shirt. It feels very comfortable. I like it, so I think you guys will like it too. Plus, it's helping out, you know, small little business entrepreneurs trying to start something up. Okay, let's get started with today's video. You guys, it's back. I'm back. Whew. What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back. I have not been with you guys in a little bit. It's been about almost 2 weeks since I had another upload. I'm back. I'm dropping some fire content today, you guys. You guys are gonna love this video. We are finally installing the PPE dual fueler CP3 setup for the 6.7 Cummins on the third gen mega cab, the Cum Daddy, aka. You guys, it's been a long journey. It's been a long journey to do this mod because I tried to do it about a week and a half ago, and it was a huge fail because I didn't have the right part to take the fan clutch off, and I got everything I needed. We are going to be installing this today, okay? Now, before I get started, you guys, please, right now, smash the thumbs up, you guys. I haven't put a video out in about 2 weeks, so we need to wake YouTube up, blow the dust off, and let everybody know this video is out there and that they want to see this if they are thinking about doing this mod to their diesel truck, okay? So please, I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And then also make sure you hit the subscribe button and you subscribe to the channel so that way you get notified every time I upload, okay? Now, the PPE team, okay? PPE, that's family. They've been working with me, a relatively smaller YouTube channel compared to some others, and I'm extremely grateful, and I love working with them. I got the t-shirt on today. It's an awesome experience. Corey, hope everything's well, brother. Michael, Corey, the whole PPE team out there, guys, thank you so much. You guys, PPE did sponsor this video today because they provided the dual fueler setup kit, okay? So 100% credit goes to PPE. Thank you guys so much. And you guys know we have ties with PPE with the front rear diff covers and the trans pans, okay? But it does not stop there because we are gonna be hooking you guys up, okay? Check this out. The entire PPE website, not just this one part, the entire PPE website, if you use code everything10, I'll have it here on the screen somewhere, and I'll have a link to the website with the code to it in the description below. Code everything10 will save you 10% on anything in the store. But here's the kicker. It's only going to be good for 2 weeks, okay? The code is effective today, and it should expire September 14th or the 15th. So make sure you go over there and get what you want. Save yourself 10%, okay? Hey, I ain't trying to be, you know, calling names or nothing, but there ain't a whole lot of YouTubers that can get promo codes like I can, okay? You guys, I always think about you guys, and I always try to hustle for you guys to get you guys to save some buck when you're trying to do mods to your truck like this, okay? So I'm going to show you guys and talk a little bit about what we're doing, and we're going to kick it off. All right, you guys, so we have over here the the second CP3 pump. We're going to be running a Duramax LBZ pump specifically. The PPE kit for these 6.7 Cummins, they use a LBZ Duramax as the top side injection pump. To be honest with you, it looks just like the 6.7 Cummins one. It pretty much is, but they use that one for their kit. So we have an LBZ Duramax pump over here. Come over here. We have the fan clutch tools needed. This is what I needed, I was waiting on. So here we have the wrench set. You can rent this from your local parts store. That's the part number right there if you guys are curious. 647814, just a wrench set. And this is what I really needed, was the fan clutch holding tool. Okay, what this is pretty much a tool that will hold the pulley from prevent it from spinning when you're trying to break loose your fan clutch nut. Okay, these nuts don't really come off or get broken often, so you're gonna need this. Okay, there's the part number right there, 27270. So we got those bad. All right, you guys, so up to this point, first things first, if you didn't know, PBE is awesome. Why? Because they are one of the few companies that provides instructions with all of their parts. You order from them and they're in color. You get color pictures, step by step, showing you how to install this stuff. Okay, not many companies do that. They'll either print them out. Shoot, I even know certain companies now where they email you the instructions. You know, they email you instructions. You know, it's like, no, I want instructions with what I buy, and they come in color. So we have the instructions here. So far, the only thing I have done is drain the coolant, because I drained just enough. I drained the coolant out enough to where I can remove this radiator hose right here, because this hose is going to be getting replaced with the adapted modified coolant hose. So you have to drain your coolant so you can be able to take this off without making a mess. Next, what we have is I took off the fan shroud. Fan shroud is right there. We're going to be removing the fan clutch pulley right down there. So you can see that orange right there. That's going to be removed. We're going to be loosening this and taking it off. In order to loosen it, that's what we needed the fan holding tool for, because this sucker's on tight. And you know, I'm not about to break my wrist trying to take that off. So right now what we're going to do is get the tool set up, and we're going to remove this fan pulley. Okay. All right, you guys, so this is it is what it is. All right, so usually at this point, like last time when I failed, I just didn't even upload it or anything. But because this is the second time, and I'm pretty positive somebody out there is going to be having the same issue, why not make the video? Plus, you guys always put good input in the comment section, so you can comment and throw your advice in here. I'm going to show you guys basically what's going on. Okay, all right, so basically what's going on here is that fan clutch nut is on like a SOB. Okay, it's on there good, and it's getting to the point where the wrench isn't even biting it. It's like, it's not even a firm fit. So if you go on the forums and everything online, it says that a 36 mil, which this is what this is, will work. But when I put it on there, look how much play there is until it's tight. Okay, this is not the exact fit. So I'm pretty positive this is standard. I watched a couple YouTube videos and people said that they use an 1 3/8 wrench, and I guess it fit on there perfectly. Some people have had good luck with this style, but it's not working for me. And it's getting to the point where you can actually start seeing the shiny down there. You get in there, you start seeing the shiny, and you can see where it's starting to like round off the dang nut. And the last thing I want to do is round this sucker off, because that is a nightmare getting off. So instead of trying to jerry rig and, you know, rig up, sorry, let me zoom out. Instead of trying to rig up something to try to get it off, redneck it. I mean, I already tried. I saw one video, dude put a cargo strap in the pulley and ran it underneath to his frame and ratchet strapped it to keep the pulley from spinning. I tried that. I hit it with a little PB blaster, even though I don't think that's going to do anything. This tool right here, there's like one video of a guy using this, and he doesn't really show where it goes, and I kind of like tried to figure it out myself, and I think I figured out how it goes. But even with this holding on the pulley, the problem is when I go to either bang or apply pressure with the breaker bar, when I hit this with my dead blow, it freaking starts to slip on it. It doesn't bite it good, and it's rounding it. Another thing too is when I was loosening it, so facing the engine like this, I'm turning the nut that way to loosen it. Okay, I believe on the 5.9 common rails and newer, in order to loosen it, you turn it to the left. If you're facing the engine on the 24 valve, the old ones and 12 valves, you turn it that way to loosen it. If you're facing the engine, comment down below if I'm correct on what I'm saying. I'm pretty positive that's what it is, because every video I've seen somebody taking the 6.7 or a 5.9 24 valve fan clutch off, they all turned it that way or hit the hammer that way, and it loosened it. So what I did was I went on eBay, because the part stores where I'm at, they charge way too much money, and it's just crazy. I went online and I ordered, one second, a pneumatic wrench set. Okay, so I bought that guy right there. If my camera will focus, doesn't want to. But long story short, there you go. I ordered that. So what it is it's the same wrench that goes on there, except you put an air chisel gun on the end of it and it breaks it loose. It was only $57.99 plus tax was like 60 bucks. I just ordered it. This one I ordered was located in Charlotte, North Carolina, so hopefully it gets here in a timely manner if they ship it out today, because it's pretty early in the morning today. But you know, that's just that was the exact same problem I had last time when I first tried to do this video. Was I cannot get the fan clutch off. That sucker is on there, and it's on there tight. I'm pretty sure it's never been removed since this truck's been made. So you're talking 12 years of just sitting there, and you know, it's all orange and stuff, so I'm pretty positive it's on there good. I could have got a torch and put some heat to it, but like that's last resort stuff. I watched several videos where people put the chisel, or not the chisel, but they put the wrench on with the air hammer and they knocked it loose in like 5 seconds. So that's what we got. That's what happened. You win, you lose. You can't win everything, you know, and it's just one of those things where you just gotta go back. What up, man? Huh? Nothing, I was doing a video. That's my neighbor Bob. But yeah, so yeah, so now I get to clean up. I gotta put the coolant back in, put the fan shroud back on, which I hate doing. I'm like an expert at taking off the fan shroud. Do all that and we'll be good. And then, oh, there was another video fail too. So as you guys know, I have the billet valve cover here in the garage. I'll show you guys. I was gonna put the billet valve cover on Monday, and somehow, some way, I ended up misplacing the bolts for it. It's the screws for the valve cover. I ended up misplacing them because the fitting that I ordered, I've been waiting on for a while. I finally got it in, so I was gonna put this on Monday. I tore my garage apart everywhere trying to find the screws that Beans Diesel provides with it, because it's a special screw with the washer grommet. Couldn't find it, so I hit up Michael over at Beans. He jumped on it ASAP. He got some out on the way. They probably will be here today or tomorrow. So if anything, this will be the next video, because as soon as those come in, I'm slapping this bad boy on. I ordered this elbow right here. It's a what, 12 AN fitting. I ordered that off of, if it ever wants to come off, Jesus, man. Good God. So I ordered this off Amazon. It was like 13 bucks. This is what we were waiting on. You guys can see with the elbow, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a rubber hose on here, run it down the side of the engine block until I'm ready to install the catch can. The reason why the catch can's right there too. The reason why I'm not installing the catch can right now is because the way I want to install it, I want it to look clean, and I'm gonna use custom steel braided lines and fittings. It's gonna cost about 150, 200 bucks just to order the lines and the B-nuts or the fittings and stuff. So instead of dropping 150 bucks on that, because I can use that towards other things, I'm just gonna run a rubber hose, which is nothing wrong with that. So we got the stuff. We got stuff to do. It's just, you know, little things that are gonna make it you know, challenging. But I'm determined to get that damn fan clutch off. I had to stop. I was getting actually pissed and frustrated because it wasn't working the way it should work. And the last thing, like I said, I want to do is strip out that nut, and that fan clutch is on there and it ain't coming off, because that's a bad day. So it is what it is. But on good news note, the code for the code for PPE, everything 10 is still valid. You can still go on the website. You can still order stuff on the PPE website. Use the code, you guys. Nice Labor Day sale. These, you know, PPE, they have good deals and stuff, but their sales and promo codes don't come often. So when you do get one, you should use it, okay? And then if you got the Duramax, you can get that sweet looking oil filter, the one that looks like a old school grenade / mortar box or mortar round. So, all right, you guys, I'm gonna clean all this up, get everything right back where it needs to be, and hopefully the next video will be entertaining, better. If you guys enjoyed the video, which you probably didn't because I didn't do nothing, but even though, smash thumbs up, it still helps out the video so much. And yeah, thank you guys. Until next time, peace out. All right, you guys, so I thought I was gonna end the video earlier on the unnecessary or the disappointing note, but it's the same day, later on the day, right before I went to film this video. I went out driving, went and picked my kid up, came back, and the truck is doing this now, so check it out. So now the truck's idling at 1,000 RPM. It's, what's second. I didn't want to get monetized music. Truck's hot. It's running at about, it's at with a glare, it's like 220. So it's at about 220. You see clear as day, it's hotter than normal. It's also idling at 1,000. 1 second, my freaking lens is fogging. Alright, sorry about that. She's idling. I got a feeling the fan clutch is actually bad now. I don't know if it was from me banging on it and I messed it up maybe, I don't know. Alright, it just dropped down. Maybe the fan clutch finally kicked in. Yeah, it kicked in now. It's spinning way faster. That fan clutch was not spinning as fast as it is right now, so it must have clicked in. So my fan clutch, it looks like my fan clutch is going out, or I don't know, maybe it was glitching. I unplugged, I checked the connector to make sure it was plugged in all the way, sprayed it with some electrical cleaner. It wasn't dirty, but I did it anyways. You can hear that clicking. That clicking is the compressor clicking in and out. That's what that clicking sound is. The fan clutch just kicked in. I can tell it did. You see it clicked in and out because the tone dropped when that clutch kicked in. Is my lens? So, okay, coolant's dropping back down. Yeah, so it's that fan clutch because check that out. 202 coolant is dropping back down over here. It's going down to 201. RPMs went back down, so definitely, god dang it, sorry you guys, it's super humid out here. So let me see, hopefully it doesn't look blurry, whatever. It's super humid out here. It's actually really hot. It's like 90, it's only 91 degrees, but the humidity is so high. There's like condensation. Anytime something cold goes outside, it just starts to condensate because it can't handle it. It looks like I just answered my own problem because that clutch, as soon as that fan clutch kicked in, coolant temps went down because obviously the fan was engaged, cooling the radiator. AC is now doing fine. So looks like we're gonna have to order a fan clutch because if we're taking off the fan clutch to install the dual fuelers, we might as well change the fan clutch one time. It's, you know, you can get one online. I think they're about 120 bucks. So we're gonna. It's been eventful, man. It's been eventful. These are the times when you got to stay strong and don't throw in the towel. You know what I'm saying? It's just one thing. It's one thing. You know what I'm saying? The truck doesn't give me problems. This is the first time I've had a mechanical issue with the truck since my water pump went out in December of 2018. And you know, it's just routine maintenance. You know, nothing on these trucks are going to last forever except the engine itself. All the bolt-on accessories, they're going to go out eventually at some point. I guess 180,000 miles on mine, original. I guess it determined it's time to go on yonder. So, okay. Well, I added this video clip in just to show you guys what the heck was going on. If you're ever experiencing this issue, it's probably going to be your fan clutch, okay? So, yeah. So now for real though, I'll see you guys next time.